Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how you can get Elementor Pro style features completely free. Let's see. I use the Pro features, but it's not able. It's recommend upgrade the version. So we can go on Google and search Pro Elements. Click the Pro Elements first and download this. It takes some time. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Now go to plugins and add plugins because you have already download plugin. So click on add plugin and now you can here upload file. Choose the file, select and upload here. Now install now. Now your file is installing. Add plugins. Now you can see plugins are successfully installed. Now see, our plugin is installed here. Go your Elementor, edit your Elementor, refresh the page. And use the Pro feature like pricing plans or forms. So I drop here my form. You can see now I use the Pro features. And second, I use the pricing plan. So I drop it here. Now you can see our second add-on is add here. So if the video is helpful for you, hit the like button and let me know which add-on you will try first. Thank you.